Yes, okay, so let's read this one. Maria invests a total of $16,500 in two accounts. The first account earned a rate of return of 10% after a year. However, the second account suffered a 3% loss in the same time period. At the end of 1 year, the total amount of money gained was $220. How much was invested into each account? Okay, so we're going to make our chart. Remember how our chart works for these. I have two different accounts that she's depositing stuff into. So I'll have account 1 and account 2. And I'm going to take their percentage times the amount is going to get me the total interest. Or total earned, or whatever you want to call it. All right? So if I read the equations, let's see, the first account earned a rate of return of 10%. So what goes right in this box? 0.1. You always put in your percent as a decimal. So you can do 0.10 if you want, who cares? Now, the second one suffered a 3% loss. Go ahead.
Negative 0.03.
Exactly. So because it was a loss, we're going to do a negative 0.03. Make sure that you have 3% as 0.03, not 0.3, because 0.3 is actually what percent? 30, and that's not what you mean. I think, yeah, she's absent.
Oh.
Sorry.
No, it's all right. Thank you.
So, yes, be careful with that. 3% 0.03. 30% would be 0.3, and that's not what you mean. Now, how much did she put into the 10% account? Do you know? No, so that's what we call X. However, I still don't know how much you put in account 2, but I can write an expression for it. Go ahead, Lily.
60,500.
Correct. I know she's investing $16,500 altogether. I don't know how much of it went here, but everything that's left goes here. So what's left? It's all the money minus X. Does that make sense, everybody? Yeah? Okay. So now, once you have those two columns filled, you know you just multiply straight across. Oh, jeez.
445.
I got 495. Is that what you said?
Oh, 495. Sorry, my math.
That's okay. And that would be a negative and then a positive 0.03x. Okay, and now what do I do with these two boxes? Add them together and set it equal to what? $220, the amount that was earned after that year. So that's my equation, 0.1x, and then add this in, so that'll be a minus 495 plus 0.03x equals 220. And then once we solve this equation, we should be good to go. So let's combine some like terms and add the 495. 0.1x and 0.03x would be 0.13x. And then here I'm going to get 715. Well, that's my birthday. We got some birthdays in the house today. Happy birthday, Haley!
Thank you.
What birthday is it?
Me?
What is it? Are you 15?
Yep. 12.
Happy 15th birthday!
Thank you.
Ta-da! So there we go, solving our equation, and I end up with 5,500. But what does that even represent? What even is that number?
No.
Of what? Where?
Count 1.
Yes, that's the amount she put in account 1 at 10%. I don't know what okay, they want to know how much was invested into each account, so I need both numbers. So, she invested $5,500 in the 10% account. And how much in the account that lost money, Lily?
11,000.
And where did that come from?
You substitute 5,500 in for X.
That's it. In the second account, the amount she put in is this box. So all you have to do is 16,500 minus whatever X was. So 11,000 is correct. 11,000 in the -3% account. And there you have it.